It's Wednesday, April 8, 2020. It's about 20 after 1 p.m. Nevada time. We're in Laughlin, Nevada. Storm winds were gusting. You can hear them. And looking across the river into Bullhead City, as you can see, we can't see that mountain there. As you can see, we can't see. As you can't see the mountain there, there's a gap. You get clouds covering or rain coming down. I do smell rain in the air. There is a plane or helicopter up there. Helicopter. Laughlin, Nevada has about 13 casinos in a 2-mile stretch, Casino Drive, and I feel the rain now. Anyway, because of the coronavirus, this place is just shut down. Alright, I'm getting out of this wind. Here comes a strong blast. That's enough for this one.